Today, we're diving into something incredibly simple yet surprisingly powerful. Something that can support your kidneys, boost your skin, uplift your energy, and even help calm your digestive system. Cucumber water. It's refreshing, hydrating, affordable, and so easy to prepare. But what most people don't realize is this. When you drink cucumber water every single day, your body experiences a chain reaction of benefits supported by real science. So sit back, relax, maybe sip on your own glass right now, and let's break down what truly happens when you make cucumber water part of your daily routine. 1. It enhances kidney function and supports natural detox. Let's begin with your kidneys, your body's built-in filtration system. Cucumber is naturally rich in water, potassium, and antioxidant compounds that help your kidneys flush out excess sodium, uric acid, and toxins. Because of its diuretic properties, cucumber water encourages your body to release trapped fluids that cause puffiness, bloating, water, retention, heavy feeling after salty meals. Science shows that proper hydration improves kidney efficiency and lowers the risk of kidney stone formation. Cucumber contains compounds like cucurbitacins that help reduce internal inflammation, easing the workload on your kidneys. Drinking cucumber water consistently means your kidneys filter more efficiently, your blood stays cleaner, and your body feels lighter overall. 2. It helps balance blood pressure and supports. Heart health cucumbers contain potassium and magnesium, two minerals proven to help regulate fluid pressure inside your bloodstream. Potassium relaxes your blood vessels, improving circulation, while magnesium helps maintain normal blood pressure and prevents sudden spikes. If you're someone who eats a lot of processed foods, is sensitive to salty meals, experiences fluctuating blood pressure, or wants to support long-term heart health, cucumber water is one of the easiest daily habits to adopt. Hydration alone improves blood viscosity, making your blood flow more smoothly. Add potassium and magnesium into the mix, and you get a natural, gentle way to support heart function. 3. It improves brain function, memory, and mental clarity. This is the benefit most people never expect. Cucumbers contain flavonoids and fisetin plant antioxidants, shown to protect brain cells from oxidative stress. Oxidative stress is one of the main causes of brain fog, forgetfulness, low focus, mental fatigue. Studies show fisetin supports brain cell communication and may help maintain cognitive performance as you age. And then there's hydration. Even mild dehydration, just 1%, can affect concentration, mood, and reaction time. A glass of cucumber water in the morning replenishes fluids, activates your brain, and gives you steady focus without relying on caffeine. Before we continue, here's an important reminder. This video is for informational purposes only. It is not medical advice. Everyone's body responds differently. If you have kidney issues, chronic conditions, or take prescription medications, please speak with your doctor before making changes to your hydration or diet routine. Stay safe and stay informed. 4. It cleanses your digestive tract and supports gut health. Your digestive system absolutely loves cucumbers. Cucumber water contains natural fiber, hydration, and mild enzymes that help your gut process food more smoothly. Drinking it daily can help reduce constipation, improve bowel movement, regularity, flush out old waste from your colon, soften hard stools, calm acid reflux, reduce gas and indigestion. Because cucumbers are alkaline forming, they can help neutralize excess stomach acidity. This makes cucumber water one of the gentlest, most natural daily digestive cleansers. And here's a bonus. Drinking it before meals helps control appetite, leading to better portion control and fewer cravings. 5. It gives you naturally clearer, glowing, hydrated skin. Cucumber is famous in the skincare world for a reason. Inside each slice, you'll find silica, which supports collagen production, vitamin C, which brightens antioxidants, which help fight inflammation, high water content, which hydrates from within, When you drink cucumber water daily, your skin benefits from deeper hydration and more efficient nutrient delivery. Over time, people often notice reduced acne breakouts, less redness and irritation, a brighter, even skin tone, softer texture, reduced puffiness, a more natural glow if you're exposed to sunlight, work long hours, or don't sleep early. Cucumber water helps refresh your complexion from the inside out. 6. It supports liver and pancreas. Function: your liver and pancreas quietly protect you every day. Cucumber water helps support their important work. Cucumbers contain compounds that may assist in reducing oxidative stress in the liver and help support normal enzyme activity. This can help your liver process toxins more efficiently. Because cucumber is hydrating and low in calories, it helps stabilize blood sugar levels, giving your pancreas a break after heavy meals or carbs. This makes cucumber water especially helpful for people who experience fatigue after eating, sugar crashes, high carb or high fat diets, early signs of fatty liver stress-related eating habits. Drinking cucumber water before your morning meal can set your digestive organs into a gentle, balanced rhythm. 7. It reduces inflammation, joint pain, and body aches. Cucumber contains a powerful plant compound called quercetin, known for its anti-inflammatory effects. This makes cucumber water an excellent natural option to help with joint stiffness, muscle soreness, gout flare-ups, arthritis discomfort, post-exercise pain. When you hydrate properly, your joints receive more lubrication, your muscles recover faster, and your body responds better to daily movement. Drinking cucumber water during the afternoon when inflammation naturally rises can help your body stay calm and comfortable. How to make cucumber water the right way. You only need one whole fresh cucumber washed thoroughly, a jug of clean water. Optional: lemon slices, mint leaves, or ginger. Slice the cucumber thinly so the nutrients and flavor infuse faster. Let it sit in cold water for a few hours. Drink within 24 hours to avoid fermentation. Best moments to drink cucumber water. You can enjoy it anytime, but these moments give the best benefits. Early morning, before meals, boosts hydration and gentle detox. Before eating, controls appetite and balances digestion. After physical activity, helps muscle recovery and cooling. Before bed, supports overnight hydration and reduces next day puffiness. Stay consistent for at least a full week, and you'll feel changes in your energy, digestion, and skin. The next time you reach for soda, sugary juice, or energy drinks, choose cucumber water instead. Your kidneys, your skin, your brain, and every cell in your body will thank you for this simple, refreshing habit. If you love natural, science-backed health tips like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video that could transform your health. Thanks for watching. Stay hydrated, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next one.